In this video, I'm going to show you how to underline text in Adobe InDesign. To get started, select the Type tool from the left side of your screen and create a text box. Type the text you want to underline into the text box. If you want to adjust the font size, you can do that from the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. If you don't see the Properties panel, go to the Window option in the top navigation menu and select Properties from the drop-down menu. This will open the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Next, highlight the text you want to underline. In the Properties panel, scroll down to the Character section. At the bottom of the Character section, you'll see 3 dots representing More Options. Click on these dots to expand the options. From the Expanded menu, you will see an Underline option. Click on it and you'll immediately see the selected text underlined. Once you've applied the underline, you can make further adjustments to the text from Properties panel, and that's how you can easily underline text in Adobe InDesign.